To another Smart Money Monday. With Christmas only 21 days away now, everyone is shopping, but we also want to keep from overspending. So here's Kristen Konishi from Bank of Hawaii. Aloha, Kristen.
Aloha, Steve.
So Kristen, it happens a lot. How much do we tend to overspend during the holidays?
Well, according to CNBC, the average American spends about $1,500 holiday shopping.
Whew. All right, so what's the most important thing we can do to avoid that?
Well, the most important thing is going to be making a total shopping budget that you can actually afford.
Okay, so set a realistic budget that doesn't lead to credit card debt?
Exactly. So try to avoid using credit cards to stretch your holiday budget. Spending over and above what you can afford can really easily turn into credit card debt that's hard to pay down.
Is it about setting priorities and really thinking through your wish list?
Yes. So it's going to be good to organize your list into a few main categories like gifts for family, gifts for friends, parties, decorations, and travel.
What if your list is bigger than your wallet?
So after you organize, you're going to have to do some prioritizing. So rank the items in each category by your needs, your wants, and then your nice to have.
So while you're trimming the tree, think about what you can do to trim off your list.
Right. So you're going to have to ask yourself, do you really want to spoil your significant other with an impressive gift? And if so, it might mean cutting back on travel or skipping the fancy champagne or New Year's Eve.
Okay, so make smart choices that will make your loved ones happy, but also keep you out of financial trouble.
Yes. So keeping your holiday spending under control is a gift that every person can give to themselves this holiday season.
All right, mahalo, Kristen, for coming in today and helping us control ourselves during these happy holidays.
Happy holidays. To learn more about holiday budgeting, visit boh.com/resources.